Okay, class, now we go to problem solving, example 7. Okay, let's see in the diagram here, QRS is a straight line, yeah, that QS is 8. So this one is 8 cm and QR and RS is the same. That means this one is 4 cm, this one is 4 cm. So you're asked to calculate cos X, yeah. This one is your X and your Y, yeah. This is your Y. Okay. So you want to find your cos X. So your angle for X is this one, yeah. But you have to look at it in a quadrant form. So in a quadrant form, this is actually your x-axis, x-axis, yeah, and then this is your y-axis. So in a quadrant form, what you see is this is your angle x, yeah. Okay, so if you write it in a format that we used to write, you don't have to turn your head. So actually your angle x is this one, yeah. Okay, so you can find your cos x if you know what is your here, yeah, your reference corresponding angle. So from the diagram here, you know that you can write, yeah, cos x equal to cos this one, yeah, cos alpha, yeah, the corresponding reference angle, and actually it's the same as cos. The angle is, if you look at it, it is here P. Or you can also write cos x as cos, you use the what? You use the letter here, yeah, cos what? Q P R, yeah. So cos x is actually cos Q P R. You can see that you have a what? A right angle triangle, yeah. This is your P Q R, and you have here 3 and here is 4, and this is 90 degree. So cos is what? What is the formula for cos? Remember your uncle? Not Uncle So, Uncle So Cha Tua. Yeah, so this uncle So adjacent, if this is the angle, so the adjacent is here, and this is your hippo. So your hippo, you use your Pythagoras. This is actually 5. That one I hope you already memorized. Okay, so it is actually 3 over 5, yeah. Cos x is 3 over 5, but you have to check this is in which quadrant. Your x is in which quadrant? It is in the fourth quadrant. So fourth quadrant, add sugar to coffee, it is positive, yeah. Your cos is positive, so no problem. Your answer 3 or 5, this one is it is positive lah, yeah. So this is the right answer. What about your tangent y? Tangent y, you will look at here. This is your y, right? So we have to draw the quadrant. So this one is your y axis, and this is your x axis, and this is your angle. Yeah, so we draw it like this lah. Yeah, here this is your y, and this is your alpha. Yeah, this is your alpha, your corresponding reference angle. Okay, so you want to find your tangent y, kan? So your tangent y equal to tangent alpha. Yeah, tangent alpha is here. Yeah, so once again, here it is 4, and this is already 5. So tangent alpha is, you remember, your tua, uncle tua. Yeah, opposite to adjacent. So opposite is this one, 3 over adjacent is 4. Yeah, so your tangent y is 3 over 4. But you have to check, you have to check your quadrant. This add sugar to coffee. So this is on the second quadrant. Second quadrant, only your sin is positive, but your tangent is negative. So you have to put here 3 over 4, the negative sign. Yeah, so this is the answer. If you forgot the negative, so the answer will be wrong, and you will not get the marks for answer. Okay, let's see example 8. A group of students produces a robotic arm. This is the robotic arm. Yeah, with the length of 15. The length is 15. The robotic arm is programmed to move an object from P move to Q. Yeah, so there is an angle here. Yeah, when it moves, there is an angle here. Yeah, theta. Given cos theta is negative 0.866. So it is in the range of 0 to 180. So you can see here that this is in quadrant form. This is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant. Yeah, so you are asked to find what is the angle, and then length of here lah, from Q to P, this length. Okay, so I have drawn it for you here. This is your P, this is your Q. Yeah, this is 15, and this is your theta. So you are asked to find your theta, right? But you know that cos theta is negative 0.866. Yeah, so you know that theta, you can find theta by using your calculator. It is the inverse of your cos. Yeah, inverse, and you just find this in the calculator. So your theta, calculator will tell you your theta is 30 degree. Yeah, but you know that when the cos theta is negative, the value, your theta cannot be 30 because 30 is in first quadrant. First quadrant, your cos is positive. All sin, cos, tangent will be positive. So this is not the answer. So what is your theta? You have to look back here. This is the first quadrant. This is the second quadrant. So this is your theta. Yeah, this is your theta. So you have to find your alpha. Yeah, you have to find your alpha, your corresponding reference angle. Yeah, so how to find it? Already here. Yeah, 30. This is actually 30 degrees. Yeah. And then because it is on the second quadrant, so your theta you can find your theta, 180 you minus with your corresponding reference angle 30. So theta is actually 150 degree. So you have found your angle theta, yeah, 150. Okay, next we go to find what's the distance, yeah, this one. What's the distance between P and Q? If you see the triangle here that have the PQ distance, this triangle is nothing can help us with this type of triangle. If it is right angle triangle, we can use to find this the one of the length if two lengths are given, two sides are given. So for this one, the this type of triangle we cannot do. So what we need to do is we create one right angle triangle. So you can see here, if you make 90 degree, yeah, you have right angle triangle. So your PQ will become your hypotenuse. So you can find your PQ if you know what is the length of this one and what is the length of this. And then you can use Pythagoras. Yeah, we can use Pythagoras because you'll know this length and this length. You can use Pythagoras to find the PQ. Yeah. Okay. You can find this one because you have this angle 30. Yeah? You have this angle 30. And also this one you can find because you can use any of your sin, cos, tangent, any of your sin, cos, tangent. So let's try. And one thing, this arm, it will move. So this is actually also 15. Yeah, this let's say if this is O, PO. Yeah, PO also 15. Okay, so one of the sides you know, you can use this formula, sin and the opposite and hypotenuse. Yeah, that means sin 30 equal to this one. If you don't know what is this, so let's say this is R lah. Yeah, it is PR over 15. Yeah, so your PR equal 15 times with your sin 30. Yeah, so your PR is sin 30 is 0.5. 0.5 in your calculator, or if you memorize already, so you'll get it. So the answer is 7.5 lah. PR is 7.5, so you got that one already. You want to find your RO. Your RO is, if you use this angle, it is adjacent to hypo. Yeah, so you can use cos 30 equal to RO divided by 15. RO will be 15 times cos 30. Yeah, cos 30 will be 12.99. Okay, so now you know that your PR, this one O, this is your Q, yeah, this is 15, and this one 12.99, and this one is 7.5. So total this one is 7.99. Yeah, your PQ lah equal. You just use your Pythagoras, 7.5 square plus 27.99 square. So your PQ is 38.96 cm. Yeah, you got the answer.